Hey everybody, this is Gandee from the Operative Group. Check out my newest listing at 4122 Lancaster Drive, Eugene, Oregon. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot home boasts amazing open floor plan, and you gotta check it out. As we open to the entryway here, what you will see is we have oak finished stairway. We have oak surrounding the mantle, gas fireplace with tile, and then vaulted ceilings. I love all of the light that is coming through all of the windows. Big dining area, perfect for holidays. Now we got a breakfast nook, looks out to the backyard, gas range, appliances, dishwasher, tile countertops, and oak cabinets throughout. Now let's take a little venture into the downstairs bedroom. This could also serve as the primary bedroom, but we'll also show you the bigger one upstairs. Has a walk-in closet, barn doors. I like these modern rice paper-like design. Into Jack and Jill tile bathroom, shower, commode right here. And then we have the laundry room, garage that goes out to the driveway right there. As we make our way upstairs, one of the coolest things I like is the balcony-like landing up here where you can see everybody, make announcements, do all the fun stuff. We got a full bathroom right here, tile countertops, and then bedroom number 2, tons of space, tons of light with the closets. This looks out, there's a creek here, and just really private. Now, this could be the second primary bedroom. As you can see, high ceilings, can fit, large bed, tons of space, tons of light. And one of the biggest things I like about having a primary bedroom upstairs is there's tons of closet space. We have closets here, and also through this door, we have another closet space with just a really deep access for tons of storage. The backyard features a fully cemented back patio with timber bamboo, fully mature, over 30 feet tall. We've got a little bit of side yard clearance, which I really like when the fence is not right up on the patio. And then we have what I would call it a lap pool and a hot tub in one that we prefer that stays. It is about 2 to 3 times the size of a normal hot tub, so we're hoping everybody likes it.